Hi children, today we are going to learn our lesson in the verse again. See, in this lesson we are going to learn about the great cricket player Sachin Tendulkar. I think you know about him, Sachin Tendulkar. He is the best batsman, right, in cricket. And see, let us start the lesson. Sachin Tendulkar is a name that shines bright in the world of sports. The iconic cricket player is an inspiration not only to other sports person but also to ordinary people from every walk of life. In his autobiography, he talks about simple upbringing and dedication to the sports of cricket. Given here is an extract from his autobiography. Sachin Tendulkar, he is, as you know, he is the best player in cricket, and he is an inspiration to everyone, not only for the sports person, to ordinary people also. He is an inspiration. But he talks about his simple upbringing and dedication to the sports of cricket. He is a dedicated person, right? You know, he in his autobiography he said about, or he talks about his simple upbringing and dedication to the sports of cricket. Okay, here as our second lesson, it is a part of his autobiography. Okay, our second lesson is a part of his autobiography. Only a few part is given. A part is given as our second lesson. Let us learn it. Okay. I encountered many adventures as a child. One in particular stands out vividly. It happened while playing at Shivaji Park, the breeding ground of cricketers in Mumbai. I was 12 years old. See, he is telling that when he was 12 years old, while playing in Shivaji Park, the breeding ground. What is mean by breeding ground? A place where something is able to develop. See, a place actually that was a platform for him to develop something, for develop his skills, right? And of cricketers in Mumbai. When he was playing at Shivaji Park, he was only 12 years old. I was captaining my team. Our wicket keeper got injured and I had to reluctantly step into his role even though I had never tried it earlier. Actually, he was the captain of his team. He was Sachin Tendulkar. He was the captain of his team, and what happened? That wicket keeper. You know who is wicket keeper? Who is wicket keeper? He stands. He stands behind the batsman, right? Okay. One in particular stands. Our their wicketkeeper got injured and I had to reluctantly step into his role even though I had never tried it earlier. Actually, their wicketkeeper got injured, so he was forced to step into his role, or he was unwillingly he was doing the role of a wicketkeeper. Means he stands as a wicket keeper, even though I had never tried it earlier. Actually, he did not have any experience as a wicket keeper. Right. He was the captain of the team but their wicketkeeper got injured, so he was forced to stand, or he was unwillingly he was standing as a wicketkeeper. He didn't have any experience as a wicketkeeper, right? Being behind the stumps was both unfamiliar and uncomfortable. I soon missed a nick. The ball came at me fast. The ball came at me fast, and even before I could react, it hit me smack in the face, just missing my eye. The cut was deep, and there was a lot of blood. Being behind the stumps was both unfamiliar and uncomfortable. See, there where the wicket keeper stands, now there you can see three stumps. Okay, he's saying that he did not have any experience as wicket keeper, and he says that it was unfamiliar. It was not familiar for him, and it was uncomfortable too. It was unfamiliar and uncomfortable for him. I soon missed the nick. Nick in the sense, N-I-C-K, nick in the sense, a small deflection of the ball off the edge of the bat, often going to the wicketkeeper for a catch. See, a fast ball. I soon missed a nick. The ball came at me fast, and even before I could react, it hit me smack in the face, just missing my eye. The cut was deep, and there was a lot of blood. See, when he was standing as a wicketkeeper, suddenly a fast ball came at him. He could not react. That much fast it was. The ball was very fast. He could not react. He could not catch. Before that only the ball hit on his face, just below the eyes. It hit on his face. He can see here. See in the picture. See, it hit just below the eyes, and his face was full of lot of blood. I didn't have money for a cab and was embarrassed at the thought of getting on a bus with a bloodied face. I needed a lift and asked a friend for the same. He indeed gave me a lift on his bicycle. Anyone familiar with Mumbai will realize what an arduous task that is.